So imagine this, Kim Kardashian just posted a reel and you buy a little part of that reel, and when the reel goes viral, you make money by selling your parts. This is not science fiction. It's actually a new platform called Zora, and it lets content creator monetize their content. It's basically what Instagram could have been. And before you start thinking to yourself, maybe this is just another pump fund, it's not. It's actually partnering up with Coinbase, which means that at a certain point in the next few weeks, Coinbase could potentially bring in millions of users, making you position yourself early in this opportunity. I see this the same way as if you were in the NFT trend in 2021 and OpenSea just started and you started using the platform. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step how you can use the platform, how you can buy and sell content and make profit. And I'm going also to explain its advantages and disadvantages and my honest opinion about the project. Hello everyone, my name is Mazen and I'm a crypto trader and investor since 2021. This is my second profitable bull run, and in this channel I present to you the best crypto opportunities. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. That way you can get notified whenever there is a new one. So let's get started. So to sign up, it's very easy. You're gonna click on the link on the description and you're gonna get to this page. And here, if you are not on mobile, click on sign up on web. So it says here scan code or sign up on web. You're gonna click on sign up on web. And from here, you can either sign up using your email address, your Coinbase wallet, your Phantom wallet, or other wallets. Once done, you can have your account. So let's go to the app right now. So this is your profile, and first thing, how to fund your account. Basically, you're gonna come here to this little wallet icon and you can see your balance, and you can also click on receive or send. So to receive your Ethereum, this is your Ethereum address on Base. So make sure if you are sending Ethereum to choose the Base network, because the whole platform is using the Base network. So once you send your Ethereum, you're gonna have it here. As you can see, I have $105 of Ethereum. I have some Zora, their native token, but if you want to also send, it's very easy. Just choose which amount you want to send, and from here you can paste the address, your Ethereum address, on the Base network. Once again, you make sure that you use the Base network and not another network. And also here you have your holdings. So as you can see, I'm holding 20 coins right here. I'm holding my own coin. I'm gonna explain a little bit later about this one and some other few coins such as this post, and some few others. But other than that, I also got my rewards. Basically, I have 77,000 of my coin to claim. So I can click and claim them, and it goes to my holdings. So I successfully claimed $0.50 of my own coin. And let me explain to you how the whole coin works. Basically, when you create your profile, you create your coin with it. So this is not financial advice. I'm only creating this for the sake of the video. And I'm gonna explain to you why I don't have a lot of control over this coin. Basically, when you create your account, you have your own coin as well, but you only have 50% of the supply that is unlocked over the 5 years. So I'm gonna show you here. If you go to the coin and click on holders, you can see that I have 50% and the market has 49, almost 50% of the coin. But this amount, half of the supply of each creator's coins, unlocks to the creator slowly over 5 years. Basically, if I want my own coin, I need to buy it. So to buy your own coin, basically all you need to do is come here and click on market cap and click on trade. And for example, let's say I buy and for example, let's say I buy 0.01 Ethereum of my coin, and I will get 320,000 of my coin, and I click on buy. So it takes a little bit of time, but then success bought 0.001 Ethereum of Mazen. And as you can see, if I go to the top holders, I am the top holder. There is another person that bought some coins, and here you can see the activity, who bought, who sold, and other details. But once again, guys, this is just for fun. Make sure to understand that. Let's continue with the platform. So if I go here at home, you can see that a lot of people are posting, some people are buying other creators' coins. For example, we have some people bought these creator coins. It takes a little bit time to load, but this is a creator that buy and sell their posts, the Husky Mom. So the Husky Mom, guys, if you go to the Husky Mom, you're gonna see that she has 1 million followers on TikTok and she goes live very often. But what I like about her is that she posts pictures of her husky. Basically, she's a husky mom, so she posts picture of her husky, and most of her husky picture are kind of doing a lot of volume. So what I like to do is just buy some cents of her husky pictures, and most of the time a lot of people like the husky and buy the posts. And then if I want to sell this post, all I need to do is go to sell and click on max, and I can sell the amounts that I just bought. Each creator can create his own post, and you can buy the creator coins or the creator posts. So right now I'm gonna explain to you what is the strategy that I found is profitable to buying and selling posts, which posts you need to buy and sell. Basically, what I feel is going on in this platform is that there is a general theme. What does that mean is that the videos and pictures that are getting bought the most are kind of in the aesthetic vibe, something that reminds me a little bit of Tumblr, something about like old school. And if you scroll on your feed, you can see those here. For example, this is a little bit, complex, not very popular. And that's what I think the audience of the platform is buying the most. So something that is out of the ordinary. It's not just a simple picture or selfie. For example, this animation looks cool, as you can see, and it looks a little bit old school as well. And as you can see, the all-time high here is at 4.26k dollar market cap. So for example, if I click here, so as you can see here, if I click and open in a new tab, I can see the chart of this post. Basically, it has an all-time high of almost $4,000 market cap, and people bought it in the start. So if you want to make money with this platform, you need to be buying posts at the start, because at the start there is more potential. So as you can see, also there is a volume of $238, and the creator earned $0.89 from this post. Basically, each time people buy and sell their posts, they also get a little bit of fees from that. And as you can see, I'm gonna buy a little bit of that as well, and I click on buy, and it automatically buys it. So now that we know the theme and that we know that you should buy the posts at the start before they go viral, let's go to the research phase, and I'm gonna show you how you can spot those things. So if you go to the research tab here and go to new, and then click on posts, and then click on posts, you can see these are the new posts that are being posted. For example, 27 seconds, 50 seconds, 2 minutes. And what I usually do is basically choose the ones that I think go hand in hand with that theme that I just talked about. So the old school theme is also working. There is also animals that are working. And basically, I buy them right when they post. And for example, I'm trying to find something that we could buy together, so I can explain a little bit more about my strategy. So for example, this anime picture, I believe it's kind of cool and it goes hand in hand with the theme. I'm gonna buy something out of it. for example, $0.0001 Ethereum. And I'm gonna wait to see if it goes higher or not. If it goes higher, I'm gonna sell, of course. And I keep looking at things that I believe have the potential to go viral on this platform. For example, this one, Time is Ever Fading. I believe it has great potential and it's actually increasing in the market cap. So I'm going to buy some of it. It's a cool picture with a lot of watches, so I'm gonna buy something. So I keep doing that and select the ones that I believe have the greatest potential. One other thing that you can do is basically, for example, if you know that a creator is most likely going to post something and it's going viral. For example, the Husky mom, I know each time she posts a Husky picture, it goes viral. So I'm gonna go here and activate the notification. And if you are on desktop, you can see her notification here. For example, Husky mom just posted something new and you can buy it right away when she posts. It's better if you do it on your phone as well. That way it's easier for you to get the notification right away. I believe this platform still is in the early stages. If it goes by the promotion that Coinbase is going to do with it, it has a large potential of bringing new users, which can make their native token go even higher. So their native token is called the Zora coin. And as you can see, it's at $0.049 right now. And it's at $200 million market cap. And I believe it has a great potential. For the disadvantages, I believe this platform still need users to sustain itself. So we need to see Coinbase promoting that in the near few weeks that follow. If it doesn't do that, this platform will struggle to find new user base and will die, unfortunately. But let's hope for the best. This is for educational purposes only. So this was everything for me in this video, guys. I tried to be as much transparent as possible. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Have a very great day and see you on the next one.